Welcome again in the Northmen episode 4. In the last episode we created this illustration that is available in ArtStation. You can buy it from the link below. But we still don't have a name for our character. Let's call him Emiak Torvik, which means a river. Episode 4 is about evil character. Every story needs an evil somehow, because evil character makes the story move on from event to another. I'm looking for a queen, a nice Dark Queen. So at this point I like her body, her poster, but I don't like her face. I don't feel like this character needs to have a face. All I'm thinking is that I need her to be evil. She is evil, the kind of doesn't have human face features that feel dark and untrust. She has a demon features. Okay, and I found myself with this face. And here she is, the Frozen Eye Queen. As the name suggests, she has an ice glowing eye and she have wings, she flies, and all of these little details will be explained furthermore within the story. With all of these details, we're gonna see if we can sculpt that one day in another episode. Copying the ice cream in different versions, and I'm adding a color layer where I'm throwing some colors, looking for some different color schemes for her. I'm gonna go for a simpler color, a unicolor, a blue one. Now I think it's time to go for another illustration, one event of the story, which is the discovery of the Frozen Eye Queen lair. She might be as guardians, a lot of secrets in that cave. I didn't like the light in the first illustration. That was a very overcast skies with a very diffuse light. So on this one I'm looking for a sunny day with some contrasted parts of the frame. Our hero is sneaking in from behind entrance of the cave, and of course we need a link between this illustration and the other one, and which is the fishes. These bears, they guard the entrance of the cave and they bring her food every day. Now we're done with the Frozen Eye Queen. See you on the next episode. We're gonna go for some speed concept arts designing this world. Okay, keep painting. Keep looking for some creative stuff. See you on the next one. Be good night. Goodbye. Peace.